Welcome to another TOEFL writing practice session. In this exercise, you will read a text and listen to part of a lecture. Your task is to summarize the information from both the reading passage and the lecture in writing. Let's get started. First, read the text on the next screen. Remember, you can pause the video, but try not to spend more than 3 minutes on the reading. Jot down the key ideas from the passage. Now, get ready to listen to the lecture. Make sure to take notes of the key points presented in the lecture as well.
Today, I want to challenge a commonly held belief that simply getting more sleep equates to better learning outcomes. While sleep is undeniably crucial for cognitive function and memory consolidation, recent research suggests that not all sleep is created equal, and its relationship with learning is far more nuanced than we often realize. Many of us have heard the advice that we should aim for 8 hours of sleep each night to maximize our learning potential. While this is a good general guideline, the reality is that the quality of sleep and how it aligns with our learning habits can significantly impact our cognitive abilities. Not every hour of sleep contributes equally to our memory and learning processes. For instance, let's explore the different stages of sleep. During a typical sleep cycle, we experience various stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage serves a distinct purpose. Deep sleep is particularly important for consolidating declarative memories, those facts and experiences that we can consciously recall. On the other hand, REM sleep is essential for processing emotional and procedural memories, such as learning a new skill or recalling emotional contexts. If students are not allowing themselves to experience sufficient deep and REM sleep, they may not be fully benefiting from their time in bed. Additionally, research indicates that individuals who experience fragmented or low-quality sleep may still wake up feeling tired and unfocused, even after a full night's sleep. This presents a critical challenge. It's not just about the number of hours spent asleep. It's about how restorative that sleep is. Factors such as stress, irregular sleep patterns, and lifestyle choices can all affect sleep quality. Therefore, it is essential to optimize sleep schedules, ensuring that students are not just getting enough sleep, but also the right kind of sleep.
You will now have 20 minutes to respond to the writing prompt. Aim for about 150 to 225 words. For additional help, you can download the worksheet included in the description box, which contains a sample response to guide you.